If you're looking for a fresh and powerful AI tool to boost your business or digital marketing efforts, the Bex AI software might be just what you're searching for. In this Bex AI review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. Stick around till the end to find out how this new AI could be a game changer for your workflow. First off, Bex AI has just been released and it's already making waves in the world of AI automation. Whether you're managing digital marketing campaigns or looking to streamline your business processes, Bex AI promises to give you that edge you've been searching for. What's really impressive is its ease of use. This software was designed for businesses of all sizes and doesn't require a steep learning curve. In fact, you can jump in and start seeing results within minutes. One of the main features that stand out is Bex AI's ability to automate tasks that would traditionally take hours to complete manually. From content creation to data analysis and even customer engagement, this AI can handle multiple tasks at once with impressive precision. This is crucial for anyone who's tired of spending time on repetitive tasks and wants to focus on scaling their business. Another noteworthy aspect is Bex AI's scalability. If you're running a small business or managing a large team, this software grows with you. Its adaptability makes it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs and companies looking for an AI solution that can scale as their needs expand. As you continue using Bex, the software learns from your interactions and provides more refined results over time. The integrations offered by Bex AI are also impressive. It works seamlessly with a wide variety of popular tools like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and social media platforms. This means you won't have to completely overhaul your existing tools to take advantage of the software. Instead, Bex AI slots right into your current workflow and enhances your capabilities, which is a huge plus for efficiency. Let's talk about the pricing. What's fantastic about Bex AI is that you can try it completely free from the first link below. This no-risk offer lets you explore the features and see firsthand how it can fit into your workflow without committing any financial resources upfront. It's a great way to test out the software and decide if it's the right fit for your business. For those who want even more advanced features, Bex AI also offers premium packages with additional functionality, including enhanced analytics and team collaboration tools. These are perfect for businesses that need to dig deeper into their data or manage multiple campaigns at once. And because the software is constantly updated, you can be sure you're always getting the best and most current features. Bex AI also offers solid customer support. If you run into any issues or have questions about how to get the best out of the software, their team is readily available to assist you. This kind of support is essential, especially when dealing with new technologies that you're still learning to navigate. Lastly, when it comes to security, Bex AI uses robust encryption and compliance standards to ensure your data is safe. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's great to know that the software is designed with your privacy and security in mind. Now, as a digital marketing expert who's tried and tested hundreds of AI tools, I can say with confidence that Bex AI stands out in terms of its versatility and ease of use. It's a fantastic solution for anyone looking to level up their operations, whether you're in digital marketing, e-commerce, or running a service-based business. If you want to try it out for free and see how it can fit into your business, head to the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, Bex AI is one I truly recommend. You'll also find a list of my other favorite AI tools in the description. Give it a shot and see the difference for yourself.